In today's fast-paced world, efficient time management is crucial for professionals across all industries. Each day presents the challenge of seamlessly coordinating countless appointments and events. Meet Jack, a finance advisor juggling a global client base. Schedule empowers him with customizable event types for different client needs, from 15-minute check-ins to hour-long reviews. He leverages the platform's powerful one-click integrations to connect with Zoom for his US clients and Google Meet for his clients in Asia, enhancing communication across time zones. Jack's scheduling is finely tuned with availability settings specific to each region, ensuring he's always aligned with his clients' local times. Similarly, Dr. Alice, a psychologist, needs her scheduling tool to handle sensitive appointments securely and efficiently. Schedule ensures her sessions are set at her clinic, utilizing the tool's location setting feature. Its HIPAA compliance is crucial, safeguarding patient data and building trust. Dr. Alice customizes her availability to include buffer times between appointments, allowing her to maintain a careful balance between patient care and personal well-being. Meanwhile, across the country, Sam, leading a fully remote startup, relies heavily on Schedule to keep his team synchronized. For major announcements, he uses the collective event feature, ensuring all team members are present. For client demos, he employs the fixed host feature to ensure that a co-founder is always present, anchoring the team's client interactions. Concurrently, the round-robin mechanism dynamically selects an account executive for each meeting, balancing the workload and ensuring every team member's involvement is optimized. This combination of fixed host and round-robin scheduling guarantees that all sessions are both consistent and fairly distributed. While their industries differ, Jack, Dr. Alice, and Sam all benefit from scheduling's ability to personalize and brand their booking interfaces. They host their scheduling on their own company domains, presenting a professional front to clients and enhancing brand consistency. Schedule supports users with stringent compliance standards, including HIPAA, SOC 2, ISO, and GDPR. This ensures that every interaction is secure, reliable, and trustworthy. With Schedule, streamline your appointments, enhance your efficiency, and protect your data, all with just a few clicks. Schedule, the only app you will ever need. Transform your scheduling experience today. Visit Schedule.so to see how scheduling can work for you.